we're lost, aimlessly driving around over boulders. This morning we're going to play for a minute before we go back to the shop and work. We're headed to Sand Hollow. We're gonna go run some trail, some new trail that Matt found down there. I don't know. Sounds like a good time to me, so we're going. We got a whole clan. I got a few of my kids, a few of Matt's kids, and we're going. Alright, we're just making it to Matt's shop right now. We'll go see what the game plan is and go wheeling.
You don't have a dedicated mount?
No. I'm not a real sand dunes guy at all. Yeah. It could go...
I could drill a hole
right through that thing.
You thought that bit was going to be dull.
Not the most convenient spot.
You stopped that from swinging.
Way funner to watch you try to get a wrench on there though. Perfect. Legal now.
So a couple days ago I was just minding my own business and Colt calls me and he says they're going to have me, I'm going to be leading the Ledges Trail. Do you know anything about it? And I didn't know anything about it.
No, neither do I.
And then we invited Paul to come with us because we thought maybe he could help. What do you know about the Ledges Trail? Alright, so.
Good thing I got all this local knowledge.
This entire group of people have never been on this trail.
So, do we know how hard this trail is?
So, you think it's short. There's a couple of obstacles on it.
Okay.
We'll know what it is when we're done.
We still have to fix the drive line from the Rubicon. It vibrates still. We really haven't done anything since the Rubicon, so there's still some stuff that needs fixed, but we're going through it. Are we getting close?
Yeah.
It's got to be this. It's called the Ledges. This is where it would be. Is the trail marked? Or are we going to have to just kind of figure it out? So, we don't really know where this trail is. We're kind of discovering it as we go. And we'll figure it out. So, yeah.
I don't know.
Is the trail marker over there?
So see that white line?
That's the trail.
What white line?
The white line on the rocks.
Is that the trail?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me? Meeting of the minds.
So that's it. Over there.
Do you think my truck could make it through this?
Supposed to come down that this way. They come off that little thing right here, make this turn, and go that way. That's kind of.
Nobody saw that.
What's the other one?
Pass your tires on these rocks over right here. There you go.
Just hold that up.
Ooh. Hit the bumper a little bit.
How bad's it gonna get?
You're about to hit. Great.
As long as the hook drags, I'm good with that.
Yeah, you forgot both your wheels.
Yep, all hook. There it is. There it is.
I thought, you know, I buy a Jeep, go hang out with you guys a little bit, have some fun.
The adrenaline's the fun part.
Is this adrenaline? It doesn't feel like adrenaline. It feels like straight up fear.
When your foot starts tapping the brake pedal, that's when you're having fun. Yeah. Down like a drummer boy. You know you're doing good. Nope, back up.
Woohoo,
Just
John!
nice and
Doing
one foot on
it.
the brake, one on the gas. Big clevis kicking our butt right there. I'll just back over and pull you up a little bit and then it'll come out. Alright, you're on top.
Like that.
Maybe once it hits flat. There you go. Keep coming.
That's your winch.
It's a big hole.
Keep pulling, just keep pulling. You're okay. Good.
Nice. Rudy lost his brakes.
I'm sure Matt and those guys have some, they should.
We all should.
Yeah, I think you may be okay. We'll see.
You have brake fluid?
Ah, man, I got brake
Water
fluid in my
will
car.
work.
Pop the hood. Let's see if we can get this shotgun bolted.
Yeah.
Not out fluid much.
You still got your little crescent there?
Yeah, I
Mike?
got it.
Oh, is that yours, Paul?
No.
We're lost. We know where we are, we just don't know where the trail is. So we're just aimlessly driving around over boulders, hoping that we find the right trail. So, who knows? What do you think, Jace?
I don't know. Seems like we're doing circles here.
I think we've explored everywhere to find the correct angles of where we're supposed to be going. But
Yep.
I always thought that this trail was called the ledges because you climbed up and down ledges, not on edges.
Because you followed the ledge the whole way, yeah. Well, you'll know where everywhere not to go is.
Right,
So,
right. You guys are giving me the full tour.
that's right, the whole tour. This is a good time, but this isn't the trail. That looks like a trail. Let's go explore that and see where that goes. So this is the trail again?
Yeah, we're on the trail. There's your last marker right there.
Oh yeah.
Goes up over the top of this. And then there's a super steep bowl and a big old rock right there that you've got to miss.
Oh, cool.
So I think we should try it.
Yeah.
What did Paul just say? Okay. Have you looked down there?
Yeah, that's because you got a righteous Jeep Comanche. I mean,
I got a flatbed. Once I get my doors by it, we'll make it. I'll get you through it.
looking good. Keep coming. cutting it. Keep coming. You're all right. It's good. This is coming down now. Turn hard. Just drive around it. Go for life. Right, right up there, we got to bump it. But don't stop until you're leveled out on top. Oh, that was a sick angle.
Oh, I don't know if anybody told you, but you're in a Toyota. You might want to just sit off.
Nailed it. That's how it's done. That's why we put lockers in too, not posies. Because he's against lockers for some reason. They're fine, it's gonna work good. The only time it doesn't work is if you like have one back tire off the ground and then it just transfers power. Pretty good day wheeling. We're out of here now. We've seen this whole trail and it was a pretty good one, but we're off to work in the shop some more.
God, hang on, boys and girls.
Getting wild in here.
Almost died.
Evidently there was a little water through here. We just stopped to take the hubs out, and Matt's over there doing what Matt does, pulling people out. Let him get his job done, and we'll go get some lunch. It's gonna be good, and then we'll go home. It's been a good day of it. No breaks, no one got stuck. Everything worked out good. So, yep. We're on our way home. It's like 7 o'clock at night. So the day was to go down and explore a trail that we didn't know anything about, so that Cole could guide a group on it. So the trail was really hard to find. It rained a whole bunch. Little white markers were all washed away. So we spent like 5 hours, but I think we found the whole trail. It's pretty entertaining. It was pretty fun. There were some good spots, some spots we had to do a little winching to get some Jeeps through, but all in all, it was a good day. Didn't break anything, had a good time, and these kids had a good time, right? So that was a win. We're going home now. We got us some Arby's, and we're out of here, cruising for home.